GMAT consists of 4 sections, namely Analytical Writing Assessment, Integrated Reasoning, Verbal and Quantitative, assessing the skills you need to succeed in graduate management programs. In Analytical Writing Assessment of GMAT, you have to write an essay on the analysis of an argument. This section is designed to test your ability to formulate a critique and follow a distinctive line of thinking. It does not assess whether you have specific knowledge of a topic or not, but evaluates your ability to understand an argument and to write a logical evaluation. Total time allotted for this segment is 30 minutes. Then comes the Integrated Reasoning section, which consists of questions based on graphic representations, multi-source reasoning, and table analysis to test your skills in examining and synthesizing data. This section comprises of 12 questions that need to be completed in 30 minutes. The verbal section of GMAT tests your verbal abilities and consists of reading comprehension, critical reasoning, and sentence correction to measure your competence to comprehend information and analyze grammatical and correction skills. This section has 36 questions that need to be completed in 65 minutes. And the last section is Quantitative, that comprises of data sufficiency and problem solving. The questions test your clarity of arithmetic, geometry and algebra based concepts and the ability to effectively solve quantitative problems in a restricted time frame. It consists of 31 questions that need to be completed in 62 minutes. Subscribe to Leverage Edu for more videos related to GMAT and get exclusive insights.